Come on.
If I come over here, then
They can see you.
I can't see myself.
You right there. Say hi.
I can't see.
Can you look up here and see?
No.
Take off your shoes so I can put you on the couch. Oh, wow. Hey, Mom. What's up? It's Danielle and London. And today we are doing something really exciting. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys what we're doing.
And make some vegetables.
We're going to make some vegetables. Where?
Outside.
Outside in the
grass.
In the grass, in the garden. We're gonna do some small grow pots or small gardening, just like a little tiny eeny weeny, like I could barely see garden because this is my first time messing in the dirt. I don't really do dirt too well, but I was inspired by a few of my friends and of course YouTube. It inspires me to grow a little bit of vegetable. We have some tomatoes, we have green beans or bush beans,
and the carrots.
we don't have carrots, but we may grow to get carrots. London likes carrots. We have some onion, we have what else do we have? Oh, some herbs. We got lavender, we have basil, cilantro, we have a whole bunch of other things. I can't remember right now, but I just want to say hey and let you know that we're starting a garden. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna try and get as much footage as I can with the handy dandy helper here, London. Jace is at my mom's. He has a whole nother life over there, so he didn't want to be bothered with this, but we're gonna get as much done. My friend Tony will be coming over to help me. You may see her on the footage, you may not. I'm not sure, we'll see. But anyways, love you guys. I hope you enjoy, and make sure you leave your comments. Let me know if you like this kind of content, and subscribe almost subscribe to the Mom Company for more videos from us, and thank you for watching. See you later. Bye. You say bye?
Yes, bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.
All right, let's go digging. Come on. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I got some grow bags off Amazon. They were $10 and I got I think 5 of them, and they're 7 gallons each. I got some all-purpose plant food. It says for organic gardening, which is what I'm trying to do. I'm so sorry if the sound is, it's windy out here. I'm so sorry if the sound is muffled. And then I have some potting mix, Miracle-Gro potting mix. I got the big bag. I'm pretty sure I'll use it in the flower bed out front or somewhere if I don't use it in these grow bags. We have gloves. London has gloves, pink gloves, green gloves, and I got some mulch. I was pulling up the mulch in the front of the flower bed. Excuse me. Pulling up some mulch in the front yard. So I think that when you plant vegetables, especially in the summertime, it can dry out the soil. The sun can dry out the soil, so you put mulch on top. I don't know, I learned it on YouTube. So I got some mulch, and we got some gardening tools, and then yeah, let's get started. I had to edit the part where we put the soil into the grow pots out because, girl, I called for my husband to come help me with the heavy bag, and he came out in his underwear. Yeah, his underwear. London is such a good help. So what we did is we filled the grow pots up halfway and then watered the soil. You want your soil to look like brownie mix,
And that's what we did. So she's just holding down half the soil, and then we'll add soil on top of that to fill it up. Once you get your soil into the grow pot, you want to work it in with the wet soil that you previously put in there. Just mix it all together. You can use your hands, you can use a rake, you can use a shovel, you can use whatever you can find to just mix everything together so that all the soil is moist.
So we got some tomatoes. These are patio tomatoes. And then we've got some Roma tomatoes, which are my favorite.
My favorite too.
You want to hold just a little bit, okay? Right there. And then another one right here. Hold that, be careful, okay? Hold this, and you tickle the edges, tickle it, on the bottom. Tickle, so you make it look like that. Tickle. Okay, and then you stick it right in there. There you go.
Now we have to cover it up.
Cover it just a little bit. Now, with your hands. Use your hands. From the back, the man said, hit it from, oh no. Oh, sorry, You want to tickle the bottom?
So what does tickling the bottom do?
It loosens the roots that are already grown out, so that they can continue to grow outwards into the new pot. Be gentle, because you want it to be able to breathe. Right? Wow, tomato garden. Here we go. Ooh. Tickle.
Tickle.
Okay, London, you gotta be gentle, honey. With the tickle. Can't tickle too rough. Tickle, tickle. Oh, Jesus, let my face. Make it out of this. Oh. Child is heavy-handed over here. She heavy-handed. Oh, she heavy-handed. Oh. Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh. I just wanted to come out here and check on the garden. I didn't get to show you guys in the daylight when we finished on Saturday, but here it is. I'm gonna add to it. Amazon is currently sold out of these grow pots. Yes, babe. Here is lavender. We got some dwarf lavender. We have some Goliath, patio tomatoes with, what are these called? Marigolds around it to keep the bugs away. And we have some Roma tomatoes here with basil. This is basil. This is the Roma tomatoes all around. And this flower is also a marigold. To keep the bugs away. My good friend Tony, she gifted me these little solar lights so that I can see my garden at night. And right here is mint and cilantro. London.
My mom makes mint water.
Mint and cilantro. And then right here I purchased some echinacea flower seeds. So I just potted those like 2 days ago, so I don't know what's gonna happen. And right here, I put some green beans. Yeah, green beans or bush beans. So in here I have some onions. I don't know if you can see that little green sprout right there. It was a little bulb onion, yellow or like a sweet onion. And I just put it in there and watered it. And it rained yesterday, so the soil is pretty good. And then I also had some onions from my kitchen, some big sweet onions, and I chopped off like a quarter of the onion where the root is and put it in water. It grew a little bit of root and I just potted it. So I brought it out here. So hopefully those grow too. And right here is this was a romaine lettuce from my fridge that was done. So I just chopped the bottom off of it, and hopefully it grows a new romaine lettuce. It's already started to sprout. Like all of that right there is new. So good. And right here I need some pots. This is rosemary, and then I have some more marigolds. Janie Bright Yellow marigolds. So for right now, that's it. I've got some celery budding inside in a jar of water, and I'll show you that. And I also have some lavender that my neighbor gave me so that I can pot it and regrow. This is dwarf lavender, so she gave me like a lavender plant that is taller. So that's what we have. And yeah, that's it. Exciting. We're excited. London helped me with this, and she was a great help. My tomatoes have already gotten taller. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm the happiest girl ever.